Hello, let's learn phonics today about letter C. The sounds of letter C. Letter C has two different sounds, soft and hard C. When do we say C as S? And when do we say C as K? Number one is soft C. Letter C will be soft when it's followed by one of these three letters, E or I or Y. For example, pencil, rice, city, circle, juice, cycle, mice, cinema, and face. When you find letter C followed by A or O or U or any other consonant, it will be hard C. Means that it will be k, cat, cow, car, card, clock, cook, comb, castle. It will be k, k. In your word, letter C will follow it by E, I, Y. It's soft C. Rice, pencil, city, circle, juice. These are the two different sounds of letter C. Have a great day. Goodbye.